All right, working on this Chrysler 360 here. It's a recent reman from somewhere. Don't know. Doesn't matter. But on these 360s, I can use rubber either direction, okay, because there's no serrations in the seal. Well, they chose to use rope. But here's what happens when a rope is too tight. All right, doesn't look like there's any knurl on the crankshaft, which is okay. You can use rubber, or excuse me, rope that way. But look how crystallized. Get a better view here. Look at that. See how it's like cracking? There's no way that's going to seal anything. I can peel these chunks off. See, that's all glazed over. That's burnt. You know, once that gets glazed over like that, oil's just going to pour right out of there. And as you can see, this thing's been leaking like a sieve. So we'll take this out and put rubber in it and be done with it. Like I say, you can do that on 360 engines with the big mains, 2-inch 810. You can do that. So we're gonna fix this thing up. All right, finishing up the tech here on this 360. See, the FoPro rear seal on a 360 does not have any serrations. Okay, this lip where my fingernail is right here, that's what's gonna go inside the motor. All right, so this seal is going to get installed like this. We're gonna roll it in this way, so that lip is facing what I'm trying to seal, which is oil. So I'm going to lube this up and put it in. But like I said, you can use rubber on 360 both directions because of this. There is no knurl on it, which is actually even better. But I've ran them with light knurls with rubber too and had really good luck. And I've had good luck with rope with no knurl, with the best rear main seal, BEST, that style. Thanks.